My name is Gerardo Ariza Alvarez, Group 32, date 28th April of 2020. Valuation and negotiation of technology. It, it is one of the main sources of competitive advantage in the global markets that companies face today. It allows the manage and take advantage of immense amount of data available. Evaluation processes are part of daily work of modern organizations. The changing competitive environment forces companies to maintain an accelerated rate of improvement and change that must be managed in the best way in order to obtain the best impact on the return of shareholders. The qualitative evaluation of a technology should be focused on determining both the impacts that the technology will have on the internal environment of the company and those that the external environment due to its conditions will have on the performance of said technology in the company. Remember that fundamental objective of this analysis is to be able to quality the technology that is being evaluated and term of degree of impact it will have on your company and on your market. Thank you.